Hi everybody, this is Paul at Reliable POD and this is a video on how to create designs for t-shirts and what it covers is when you get a design that will work on a black shirt but then won't, for instance, work on a white shirt. It shows you how you can upload two different variations of the same design so you can have the same design available across all the t-shirt range under one product. So I'm just going to do it simply on a print on demand product, that means it's fixed with no personalization. So we're going to do new print on demand product, come into the t-shirt, we'll do the Gildan 6400. And as you come into that shirt, the first thing you'll see is this is all the colours that are available. We've increased our colour range and we'll be increasing it further over the next month or two. We've also got all the sizes. It gives you the prices, small to triple XL up here. So if you don't want any of the colours available, you can just click and turn them off just here. But for the moment, I'm going to leave all of those on. And then the next thing we want to do is click on Start Designing. So what we're going to do is add an image. So we'll add the image for the black shirt, which we'll do there, and then we'll click on the white one, which is here. Now, what we're going to do for the white one is we want to change that image because obviously the same design for the black shirt doesn't work on the white one. So what you do is you click here and you turn off synchronization for white only. Don't turn it off for them all. So we'll turn that one off, and what we then want to do is add an image for that one, and we're going to add that one and click on add layer, and as you can see now that's got the right image on. Then what you want to do underneath on the white shirt only is delete the previous image. Now, as you can see, that's unchecked, so it means that it's not synchronized. So what you can then do is work your way down, clicking on the colors, and if you're happy with the way your design looks on them, then you can just leave as is. So let's say we get to a shirt color that we're not comfortable with, such as the maroon here. Once you've looked at it, if you think neither of the designs work for that, what you can do is come back to product up here, not back to products, but products here, and then uncheck the maroon, and the maroon will disappear. So you can then check them, click on them. Let's say you don't want the light pink, and you can find the light pink and turn that one off as well. So you've replaced the image, as you can see, because the checkbox has gone there. So everything looks good on that. Click next. These are all your mock-ups. You will notice now that we've added a size chart and a colour guide. If you do have any mock-ups of your own that you want to use, you can upload those here. Now we give you the ability to add them and drop them into the product, and we're going to create all of the mock-ups that are here. So we've got all the variant mock-ups on the black, and these are all the product level. We'll go here, one test shirt. You can add some tags here if you need to. Then we're going to create the product, and that will generate the product in the app. And I'll take you inside to have a look at that in 1 second. That took about a minute to generate those images and the mock-ups. So if we come in here now and you look at the mock-ups that have been generated, you can see it's got the right image on, and they all display nicely. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to push this one through to the Shopify store. If you're wanting to know how to push them through to Etsy, There'll be a video under the Etsy help page showing you how to publish these to Etsy, because you've got limitations on your mock-ups with Etsy, but for Shopify we don't face that limitation, so I'll show you how that works. So when you come to push through to your Shopify store, click the three dots, click Add to Store, and then we'll select our demo store, click Next. Now what this is going to do is these are all product level images along with the size guide and the color chart. You can move these around in here, and that's how it'll order them when they're in Etsy, and these will all be attached to the various, well, to the variants as they come through. And as you can see, you've got no maroon or light pink there because you didn't create those. So if we click Next, now when it comes to pricing here, just remember that your 2XL and 3XL shirts are generally more. If you want to increase prices, bear that in mind, because you can increase by dollars or you can increase by percent. If you just do a change to and then enter the value there, that's not going to work because it's going to set the price for all of them. So if you wanted to say increase the price by $2 at your retail price, basically you add that in and it will add them all, so you'll keep the difference then on the 2XL and 3XL. So now I'm going to add that to the store, and I'll pop along to our demo store and show you what that looks like. So that's come through now into our Shopify store, and if I click on that, you'll see you've got all your product level ones, including your size guide, and then as you scroll down, you've got all your variant coloured ones, so that when people select one from your Shopify store, they'll see exactly the right colour that they want, which I'll show you. So here's the product on Shopify. It shows you the variant image first, then you've got the mock-ups which are here, which they can scroll along. You can see your colour chart, etc. And then if a customer changes on here, it will take them to the right colour. This is just a simple dawn theme. So that's how you create t-shirts. It's the same for the rest of the apparel when you want different coloured shirts on a product. Hope that helps. Thank you very much. Bye.